Yeah, just send it.
Butts and flames.
Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I'm glad you're here today. Awesome day. First day of snow here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which is pretty cool, I guess, if you like snow. So anyways, what we're doing today is JB, my brother-in-law. If you guys followed my last 2 or 3 or 4 videos ago, he got his new 2017 King Ranch. Yeah, I know, I got something on my nose there. I got hit with a Jagger while we were riding. We went riding dirt bikes on Sunday. It was cool. SPE Dan came out on his brand new 19 KX450, and we did some single track stuff, which it was pretty cool. So yeah, I got whacked in the nose, like right in the goggle, you know, between the goggles, helmet, came right in there, hit my nose, and like it's like turned into a pimple or something. I don't know, but whatever. But yeah, JB got his 2017 King Ranch, and we tuned it up. We added some power to it, did a muffler delete, did all kinds of stuff, and his switch is causing a little problem. So if you guys out there have Powerstroke, or yeah, it's mainly with the Powerstrokes because it's these switches, and it's mainly the 15 and up Powerstrokes, because we'll explain why here in a second. But real quick, it's just the pins. They don't stay in the plastic adapter connector piece that's supplied with the switch. They don't stay in there good enough. So when you go to plug it into the fuel pressure sensor temp switch thing on the truck, the switches don't actually go into the truck part, and in return your switch doesn't work because the prongs in the switch are not making proper contact with the switch on the truck. So we're gonna go help him out, and we're gonna do a quick little video for you guys out there, the ultimate fix for the shift on the fly switch for 15 and up Powerstrokes. It might work on other trucks, it might be the same, but I recommend to a lot of you guys out there who purchase these kits that if you hardwire them in, meaning, you know, snip, cut, strip, wire together the actual wires that need connected, your switch is hardwired and you'll never have an issue with it. We're gonna do a little insight on that. Let's go. We have made it to the land of tree removal, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Hopefully he's in there already, and hopefully that this freaking place is heated, but I don't think it is. So I don't see his truck. Yo.
What?
Where you at?
I'm already in here.
Is there heat in there?
No.
No heat?
No.
Perfect.
And you could just
like build a little deck. Yeah, you see that one on
deck.
Instagram? They got like a deck for working on Fords. Dude, you already broke your truck. What are we gonna do?
Break it more.
All right, guys. There's a torpedo heater running over there, so hopefully it doesn't pick up too much noise. So what we're gonna do today is we are fixing his truck. No, his truck's actually not broke. It's just the notorious, you know, issue with the shift on the fly switch of the pins not making proper contact with the actual switch on the truck. It's not a huge deal, but it is an issue. So if any of you guys out there are having this problem with your truck, if you feel a little laggy, if you're rolling onto the gas and you can feel your truck hesitating or something, 99% it is probably your shift on the fly pins not making proper contact with the factory plug. What are you doing? You blowing stuff up over there? There we can go. Now we can hear.
This is the 3rd time he's called me.
We'll answer it.
Hello.
All right, so you're not on the phone finally. Holy smokes! We're gonna unplug that, and we're gonna pull the wires out of the supplied plastic piece. So yeah, we're gonna pull those back out, and then we're gonna hardwire them together with the little butt connectors, right? So this here, you just put the wire in each side, you crimp it down, and then you can hit it with a little torch or whatever, and it has the heat shrink on it. So it will be heat shrink ready to roll. This is the sure way to eliminate the pin connector issue with these switches. So you ready to cut those back, strip them back a little bit, do some splicing? Right there you can see the two wires coming out of the actual truck plug. So the solid green and then the green with the white. Now this is just on 17 and up trucks. You guys will have to check, you know, your specific directions for your model. And then we have the actual wires stripped back on the switch on the fly, shift on the fly switch, which is the purple and the black. Now I just pulled up the directions, and it turns out I went right to GDP Products. They have really good detailed directions. The purple wire goes to the solid green, and the black goes to the green with the white. So now from here on, it's very self-explanatory. You use the what do you use? Hurry up.
Butts?
Testing you.
Butts.
Butts.
Butts need to
Use your butts, and then you butt them, and then you crimp them, and then you tape them, or do you just butt them and then you're done?
your butts and flames.
Butts and flames. Okay.
Butts and flames.
So yeah, use your butts and then your flames, and then you're done. No, okay, so seriously, use your butt connector, you put your wires in, you crimp it down, and then you heat shrink this down, and then you are hardwired in. We're gonna do that now.
Butts and flames.
All right, guys. Here it is. This is the finished product. You know, we did heat shrink the butt connectors, had their own little heat shrink on them, but we added some tape just for some security. So now the switch is hardwired in, and you're done. You're never gonna have any more problems with those pins pushing out and not making proper contact into that blue guy right there. So now your truck's full send.
Full send, baby.
Ready full send?
Butts and flames done.
Oh yeah, dude. Someone on the YouTube video called out your truck. Passenger side. We're gonna put this on blast right now. Passenger side. Someone asked, why is the 6.7 in front of, or you know, behind after the Powerstroke? Because technically, you know, it should read 6.7 Powerstroke instead of Powerstroke 6.7. So that leads us to think that this side was hit, and they put the badges on and they flip-flopped them, because I'll show you guys the passenger side of my truck, and it reads 6.7 Powerstroke.
Canadians.
Oh yeah, this truck is from Canada. What are you doing now?
Junk.
Taking off your front license plate, Mom?
Trying to get faster. That's about half a horsepower.
Yep. All right, so this thing's done. It should be ready to go. We're gonna go take it on a little test drive to make sure. It's a little cold in here. You know, like I said, that torpedo heater is running over there, and it's a little loud, but we're trying to not get it. This building's actually super cool. I've only been in here one other time. It's like a super old industrial type, you know, like old like warehouse steel mill type thing. 2 overhead cranes, real raw, like industrial looking. It's all kind of cool stuff in here. Letting the cold in. Well, I mean, really, we're not letting any cold in because it's freezing in here already. Oh yeah, done. All right, well, what do you think? You ready to go full send?
Send it.
Send it! Send it! That was a good send.